Oma Yejuma. Anybody that will take, because look, they were ready a day before the concert. How can you do this? I mean, it's unprecedented. So you cannot finish all these things and come and be playing minimal. You cannot. For me, it's unacceptable. What I say, people will chant, they will say, they will speak, Momunka. But when you come, when you come and you are doing your stuff, me inti says Stonebwoy, say I know can say Stonebwoy cancer, but me inti says Stonebwoy cancer. Okay, says Stonebwoy so cancer, me panic or cancer. Okay. Say no free show. No, so boom, me patch. Me ba dem can be bia. Can be bia.
Hey yo, hey yeah, Ghana entertainment industry. Hey yeah, Enra, BULLDOGG, Eka asemi for Stonebwoy, no free show video na air trending ho, ewo UTV. Nah, adie chinye yo, me mpese me kasa bebre. Stonebwoy show no eba na wie ye no asabi ade chen ya amanfo started say omo kan the beam first after 10 years experience no wasem no video bi e trend ye na e kamia say video no ebe kata sabi adwuma Stonebwoy ani ni team ye nyina so na me hu sa video no me yam sheme anu nti me be ye video say rade Ajuma Stonebwoy aye pa. And even before show no, Stonebwoy cross out ba bonti ambeka se. Fans no nyomo omo ye ne sa nyomo ne eni se artist no omo ta omo achi eni se artist no instigate omo ne nyomo. Ebe ya yama art ne creativity ni mom na lead Ghana entertainment industry. Now Stonebwoy be preach sa nyomo we nyina sa prepare beautiful show e wa Accra Sports Stadium. Na ni nyina echi no show ni ba na wie ye no ade na Stonebwoy try so be protect no sabi enumom ana kania sa kotoso enu ti e ma me be kan say aye me ya manu masem nyina ani enso bo wa kase hwe won kase e bo me se me call all my social media platforms hate pa ni attempt ni disrespect pa any bashing me comment section me nya fa sa video na me ye no nyame o ata we nanim even me WhatsApp mu nyina threats me receive because of that video no and I say because say me ko kan say enka menya na enka Stonebwoy show no sabi wanye bibia wahu eye shade sabi owie show na enu mom ana amanfo be kan wasem nyame ncha de enra UTV omo trans United Showbase so asem krona na make say eye me ya say bibi say si ya sabi enu mom na abeje show no enu nyam no ha me no sa asem na ho ana omo tena ye e wo UTV no free show na BULLDOGG ebemu ebe kire nyomam BULLDOGG anu masem no medofo me mpese me mom na meka na mom no kamia ye se ensem a ye yedi ka hu ya ye beka ye no eyaw
and on say obia ni strategy or the ejuma what I say me pa mucho there's nothing free on earth nothing so I think the act rivals in Ghana. In Ghana, very top act rivals, Stonebwoy, any shattawale. So I'm sure they say, Beam fans can say no free show. They want to refer to shattawale say oh yeah free show.
Wow.
Yeah, that's what they want to do. No, and yes, I mean America. That's what it is. That's what the real. But this is what they don't understand. But you see, obia one strategy or this car.
Okay.
if you follow the trajectory of Shattawale, and I'm not supposed to be saying this, ni team and I'm not here to say but I think that they need to gather themselves and say it out well.
Maybe I'll tell me too.
You see, Shatta is a brand that wants to give himself out for free.
Okay.
What you say? Now, in doing that, you receive money elsewhere. So you have to say Abia special ice, per se, or probably like 4, 5, 6 million crowd about a place to come and experience what special ice is. They will go for Shattawale because omunim say obetumia adin konfonaba. Abia as a political party be person or ABB. Ena ope nkro dompa wo they will go for Shattawale. It does not mean say Stonebwoy soon to mean yes how. But Stonebwoy so is cut from a different cloth. I think say moving forward, if we all your friends say segment the thing in that way, we appreciate all of us. What did they make an answer? Yes. But if we start, because and especially I don't have a problem with, because I've been around fans for like years. I don't mind. Look, I can tell you honestly, 50% of the people that will go for a Shattawale concert will be the same 50% that will go for a Beam concert. They are not different people. Oh yes, if you don't know, I'm telling you. Maybe you sit at the top. Me, I've sat at the top. I've been everywhere. I can tell you that I know all the Beam fans, and I know them like so. I know the Shattawale. I know because I meet them. I know them. This is a game we've played for a very long time. But you need that competition to make this thing move forward. What I say. So I'm saying, let them do the free show, jam. But about more multi office or more year face. Good. More championing then more championing different. And it's both for the Beam people and Shatta people because there's nothing wrong. Look, I don't know if my memory will serve me right, but they cannot sit here and say the money that they invested in the concert Ombenya's has coming back. Because the quality of a Juma a bad thing, so Ombenya's has come back. And I can say this with every vein in my body because I'm an event organizer myself. I know what goes into events. So you want to spend a lot to please patrons. Into the Obenya we chain any significant and even if you lost, it's an experience you were creating because that same experience will buy you money somewhere else. What did they make an say? So yenja sa kasa because mbobia this is an ecosystem yenina hope say ebe so baby nti me pa omucho no na me pese me pa omucho because Stonebwoy or Shemia and I'm sure it's one share is obession later. Amazing gentleman. Me can say me say since me ni ho I started Ghana music. Me ni ho. But why you jumache obia from Osibisa to whoever. Yes, let me show you. See. What is Osibisa? The Jackson 5 Ayenum. That the number one of feature outside. Kojuenchi. What is all the feature? Bob Marley.
Zibo Brothers.
What is Kojuenchi or the Maxi Priest Ayenuma or Ninaba? What is Amachi Dededi? What will be that? No. Yes, but that's what I'm saying. You see, listen. What am I saying? You cannot even compare talent to start with. Okay. You can't even compare. Romeo. And I say Romeo. No. Good. But I'm saying the work. I say, you call Jim. See, you call Jim, dear Mefano. I don't know me. Stonebwoy, he's overworking.
Oh, you two was.
Stonebwoy is overworking.
I'm person who claim more.
Stonebwoy has overworked, and you go down in history as one of the people that purposely championed Ghana.
It's true.
Into me, Panicho, he's human. They'll say some things. Sometimes they'll be online. Can you be one share here now? What can be now? I say a Juma why ye? Into me, Panicho. So can Sadia. Oh, it be excitement because we can forgive him. But I'm saying, say a Juma wabo and a Juma on Jane. So Obekoni grieve no on Jai because I've seen him before today. And I mean who the one in so. It says Sarkodie. When I saw what Sarkodie wanted to do way back, so we've been here for a very long time. And we've been, tell me which aspect of the entertainment space I've not been. I've been everywhere. What I say. So I understand the psyche of the, what you call it, the artist. Why a Juma nice? Look.